Hey guys, it's Bruce Stinger. I want to go ahead and kind of give you a market update of what we're taking a look at. So last week we talked about a company called RVP, which is Retractable Technologies. And this is the one that produces syringes and needles, and with the talks of coming out with the vaccine and the government contract that they recently received, which I think is the start of something big. I think that stock continues to go higher. The way we position ourselves, this is what I always tell clients, I tell students, in the market, there's so many different ways if you know how to be able to invest and how to trade. It's not just being able to go out there and buy shares of a particular position. And that's not what we did. We ended up selling puts, which I love that strategy, because when you sell a put, it's a stock substitution trade. You're bringing in a credit into the account, and it's a pretty large credit that you're typically bringing in. And it gives you the opportunity to not have to have the stock go higher. And in fact, it's a perfect case study where when we entered the trade last week, this trade was going for a little bit over $9 a share. But when we sold the put, so we sold the puts on it, it reduced our cost basis down to about $8.20. $8.20. So the stock traded below that, but I still wasn't worried because I'm a believer in the stock. I want to own the stock if we have the opportunity. If it goes to $10 and higher, we're not going to own the stock. But the stock traded below 8. It was down to, I think, $7.50 a share. And then it went ahead and it started making its way back up. So on Friday, it closed at $8.61. So if it gets assigned to us, which it might, I don't think it will, but if it gets assigned to us, our break even is $8.20 per share. The stock's trading at $8.61 per share. We're already in the green. And that's the thing I like about when you know what you're doing in the marketplace, you can go ahead and design and architect the trade where you're not just going to say, man, I like this stock, I'm going to go ahead and buy shares of it. Because now what do you need? You need the stock to go up in that particular situation. But if you can design the trade where it becomes a non-directional trade, where even if it goes down, as RVP did, you're still going to make money, as we're making money right now. So we'll see what the future holds over the next, I'm going to say over the next 25 days, because that's when my put option expires, and I'll either get assigned the trade if it's not trading above a certain price point, or if it is, I'll just continue to keep the entire credit, and I'll make a nice chunk of change on a stock that I didn't really need to do anything. So that's RVP, a great opportunity, but also combined with a great strategy. There's another stock that I want to talk about going into next week, and we started building a position on it on Friday. It's a company called SLDP, Solid Biosciences. Here's why I'm excited about this company. So they just did I'm going to show you the article. They just did not a partnership, but they did I'm going to pull this back a little bit. They did a strategic alliance. So this is the name of the company right here, SLDB. It's called Solid Biosciences. It's trading. We picked it up for $3.75. I think this thing has a ton of room to run. So you can do your own research on it and take a look at it. But look at this. Here's the article. So I'm looking for a fundamental reason to get into the trade. I'm looking for technicals, because that tells you, the price action tells you, where the stock has been, where the buying pressure is, where the selling pressure is. And also, if you know how to read charts, it kind of gives you an idea where the stock is going. But there's a third thing, and that's called a catalyst. And I think we just got our catalyst last week. So this came out Friday, October the 23rd. And it says, Ultragenyx and Solid Biosciences announced strategic collaboration to develop and commercialize new gene therapies for muscular dystrophy. Take a look at this. It doesn't end there. Here's what they get in for that strategic alliance. Look at this, guys. Ultragenyx has made a $40 million investment in Solid and has agreed to pay up to $255 million in payments per product upon specified milestone events. That, my friends, is huge. And there's other analysts on there that think this stock can rise over 200%. And they don't give a time frame for it. But I mean, I'm looking for the stock to go and give myself a double. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the stock to go to at least $8 a share. But who knows? I'll trade what the market delivers me. So I already started developing a position on the trade. Unless something comes out that is negative, I may add to that position. How long I will hold it, I'm not really sure yet how long I'll hold the trade. I may follow it up as it starts to move up. and move it up with what I call a manual stop loss order. But I think this trade has a huge opportunity for some legs to the upside. So if that one article is true, where it says it can move up to $200, 200%, that puts the trade over $12 a share. There's other articles in there that says it's going way beyond that. You know, if you go back and take a look at FinViz, let me just share this with you real quick. If you go and you take a look at FinViz, let me share this with you. Where am I at here? Right here. So if we take a look at FinViz, I'll go back here. So you can see some of this is some of what the analysts, what they have done for FinViz. Outperformed target price of $22. Oh, man. I would love it if it went to $22 a share. One has it priced at $6. One has it where they raised it from $8 to $15. One says $7.50 to $10. But all the news, guys, I mean, I take a look at that stuff, but I don't let that drive me. What I do allow to drive me is a catalyst that will put the wind to the back of the stock and drive the stock higher. There's never a guarantee, but has a high probability of taking a stock higher. That's why I invested in RVP. It's why I made an investment in SLDB. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you do like this, if you do like what you're seeing, and I'm kind of new to the whole YouTube thing, but I've been posting stuff on LinkedIn as well, because I really like to educate individuals that have an interest in following the markets. But if you do have an interest in follow this channel. Hit the like button. Doesn't take nothing to hit the like button, and then smash that subscribe button so you get alerts. All right. Take care, my friends, and hopefully you enjoyed this and many more to come. Take care now.